Greetings, my name is Andrew. I am the support manager of Company Grove. And today I will be explaining you how to quickly set up the email tracking when you install it for the first time. So, when you go into the app from the sidebar on the left, you will be at the welcome page. From there, you need to go into the settings page and check the select emails to track section. Here you will have the triggers. There are a couple of required triggers that you need to activate. So, not for request or comment update, and not for request or receive request. So you need to enable both of those triggers. That's the first step. Second step is to properly test out the email tracking when you have activated the triggers. So generally, we advise to test out email tracking by sending an email to the end user, one of your end users. If you will send it to yourself or to your colleagues, agents, that also has the email tracking, that also use the email tracking, the tracks will not be, they will not be created. The reason is simple. When you authorize in the app, your IP is blacklisted, so no tracks if you send it to yourself. So if you have an end users, send the emails to them and you will see the results. The results is internal note if you have activated in the settings, its creation, and of course the email tracking sidebar on the right. The last step, which is the first step, is to make sure that everyone who uses email tracking is authorized in the app. So in access control management settings, you will see the list of the users who have access to the application and basically who are using it. So by itself, most of your colleagues will not be authorized because they haven't gotten into the app. So you will need to ask them kindly to click on the application icon on the sidebar, authorize themselves, and then they can just return to their daily work. After they are authorized, all of their emails will be tracked. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you will have any additional questions, send all of them via email. Have a good day.